Hello friends, in this video I will review iPhone 15 Pro Max in which I will explain all features in details. If you are interested in the video, please hit subscribe button with the bell icon. iPhone 15 Pro Max will be available in 4 stunning new finishes: black titanium, white titanium, blue titanium and nature titanium. It is made of titanium metal. I have seen many drop tests of it and it turned out to be excellent. Even after falling from a good height, its screen was reducing properly. The iPhone 15, iPhone 15 Plus, iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max have an IP68 rating under IEC standard 60529, which means they are splash, water and dust resistant. However, this does not make them waterproof. Instead, the iPhone 15 series is water resistant. Apple has focused a lot on zoom on this mobile. There is a triple camera setup. The camera model is exactly like the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Its main camera is 48 megapixels. There is a 12 megapixel ultra-wide camera. There is a 12 megapixel telephoto lens and the front camera is also 12 megapixels. In this you can record in 4K 60 fps. If you are a content creator, then you can easily shoot your vlogs with this. I did not find the quality to be good with the 5x telephoto lens and there was a lot of noise while taking photos. I have used Samsung's Ultra S23 and its 10x zoom is next level compared to this.
A comparison of the iPhone 15 Pro Max and the Galaxy S23 Ultra. And right here we are checking out the front facing camera, recording at 4K 30, seeing how well it looks, looking at the sky, the background, people behind me, and we'll go ahead and switch to 4K 60.
The weight of 15 Pro Max is 221 grams. Its screen is 6.7 inches long. Its display quality is fantastic. With a resolution of 1290 x 2796 and 120 Hz refresh rate. It has a brightness of 2000 nits, so that you will not face any problem in viewing the display in bright sunlight. The original adapter of its charger is 20 watts, which comes with Type-C cable. It completes the battery from 0 to 100% in 85 minutes. Its battery is 4422 mAh. Keep in mind that you can use only one SIM in this. If you want double SIM, then you will have to use eSIM. Its speaker is very loud and clear. You will not face any inconvenience while listening to video or music or making calls. In this, Apple has used the latest new S17 Pro chip, which is a very powerful. If you are a gamer, then it is going to be very good for you. Its RAM is 8GB. Don't compare it with Android. It is enough for you. Talking about its price. Its price varies according to storage, which you can see on the screen according to the countries. If you like this review, then please like it and also subscribe from your mom's mobile.